Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to turn on front mirror photos on iPhone. So for this you will just go in the settings of this iOS device. So from here you will just scroll down a little bit to find cameras. So while scrolling you just find it, the camera. So here you will just find it, you will see the camera. So tap to camera to turn it on mirror photos. So from here you will see the composition. If you have to turn it off, so please mirror front photos, turn it on. So it will be when you click to on the front camera, so it will be capture the mirror photos. So this is how would to know to turn it on. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.